In order for marketing to drive competitive advantage for any business, it's essential that that company has in place the capabilities to deliver marketing excellence in practice. The question is, how do you do this? How do you build the capabilities to achieve competitive advantage in marketing terms? The starting point, first of all, is to be really clear about what the business objectives and strategy are, because these will clearly define the kind of marketing activities that are required to be successful. Having clarified that backdrop, that context, there are then 5 key drivers of marketing capability in any business. The first of these are the processes. By processes, what we mean is the ways of working, the language, the terminology, the tools, the kinds of activities that the people are involved in need to be clearly established so that they know how they're supposed to be working together as a team. Secondly, one moves on to the organisation structure. The roles and responsibilities for actually carrying out the processes need to be well mapped, and everybody needs to be clear about the roles they're supposed to be playing in the business. One then needs to make sure that the third dimension is in place, and that is quality people. Recruitment and staffing of roles needs to be well planned so that you have the right kind of profile of people doing the right kind of jobs. Following that then, there's a need to build the skills of those people. This is the fourth driver. The people in the business need to have the skill to actually implement the processes, the roles they have been given as part of the overall team. And then finally, there's a cultural dimension. The culture of the business will determine the extent to which there's a customer orientation, a focus on brands, a sort of attitude of leadership, an ability to work together in teams, and that brings together everybody to deliver marketing capabilities in a way which will ultimately drive business performance in practice.